Uh, Questions?
Yeah, I'm setting on my camera.
See that you have the OCaml notes, but maybe we should answer some of your electrolysis questions first.
Oh, okay, sure. What worksheet we can do?
You're saying, Anish?
I have a whole worksheet that we can do.
The whole worksheet. Have you tried them before?
No,
Have you read the notes? Have you read your own notes?
my notes.
Yeah, just quickly read through the notes that we have, right?
Oh yeah, yeah.
Yeah, and then we start. Right?
Oh yeah. Wait, what? The Jamboard that used to have the notes, all the stuff has disappeared.
I'm not sure. Try again.
Oh god. 9-1, right? Yeah, it's all gone. What? There's nothing in 9-1. 9-1 used to have everything. Did you clear the frames? Alright.
No, I don't.
That is so odd. And then which Jamboard has the notes now? Another second. Okay, I found it. It's in another Jamboard now.
Hmm.
Okay.
All right. You okay?
Should be here.
Right. The notes are here. All right. Okay. So do zoom in a little bit and I guess let's start. Let's get
Okay.
zoom in a bit. Next. Pencil and drawing will be excellent.
Hmm.
I'll be using yesterday's Jamboard. Would that be okay?
Yeah.
First one, you should be quite fast. What's going on here? Mhm. Come on, where's the drawing? Where's the candidates?
Hmm.
We've been talking about electrolysis for quite long, so I expect a little bit of speed, yeah? So draw, please, and then candidates, please. I finished the time already. Could you please draw? Come on, anode, cathode, come on. Hey, what's going on here? Anode, cathode. Where's the candidate? What are you writing here? Where are the candidates?
Here are the candidates.
Yeah, what are the candidates? List down the candidates.
Yeah, I'm listing them down.
Why is there oxygen gas in the candidate?
Oh, it's not. I just want to write oxygen.
OH minus, please. Thank you. Candidates, thank you. Quickly, come on. See.
Is it correct?
We're talking about which one do you? Okay, let's go through one by one. All right. Is it possible for a metal to be minus?
No. Wait.
Let's go through the candidates one more time. Thank you for putting the positive in the negative. That's great. The H plus and OH minus comes from the water. CO2 plus and SO4 2 minus. You might just want to write down the SO4 2 minus. If you write down the SO4, if you write down the SO4 2 minus, then you won't make the mistake of writing CO2 minus. Lastly, the copper electrodes. Why are you not listing the copper electrodes? Are they candidates or not?
Not candidates.
Oh my goodness sake. Just write down the copper electrode as candidate. Just write it down. Just write down in both sides. Which one is anode and which one's cathode?
This and this.
Sorry, which one's anode? Sorry, which one?
You're making a second guess. I think it's a negative one.
Why do you think why do you not have some?
Sorry, the positive anode is positive. Cathode is negative. Wait,
Which one is which? No, never mind. How does your teacher teach you? If you forget, please say, I'll teach you one way to do it. How does your teacher do it? How does your teacher do it?
What you just said.
What I said? What did I say?
I mean, like, I asked, she tells.
How does your teacher teach you about anode and cathode?
Memorize.
And how does he do it?
She just makes us memorize. The anode is positive.
Anode is positive, so which one is anode? Just to be clear, the left-hand side. All right. So among the OH minus, SO4 2 minus, and Cu, who wins?
Cu.
Now, Cu wins in a competition to do what?
To get into to becoming an ion.
In the anode, what happens? Where's your electron flow?
It gets removed.
Are you very sure about this? So in the electron removal of anode, you're very sure that copper wins?
Yeah.
And copper then become?
Option B.
Thank you very much. All right, let's move on. I hope you will be able to do the same in question 2, yeah? Okay, Anish, come on. Electron flow. First electron flow. Come, write down.
Yeah. Currently 5.
Right, and then your candidates, please. Quickly write down the candidates. No more candidates for those guys. Just to confirm.
Yeah.
All right. Then for this one. The number 2 candidates, where are they?
Put them.
Where are they? Number 2 candidates? Cu2 plus and H plus. Wonderful. All right. So who wins? I mean candidates, and then who wins? All right. Would you please switch your audio to your phone?
Okay. Hello.
Yep, nice. Okay, so who wins in number 4?
Cu2 plus.
Right, it becomes?
Cu.
Any connection with the question?
Yeah.
Right, electro 3, who wins?
Cl minus.
It becomes?
Cl.
Don't say Cl, please.
Cl2.
Any connection?
No.
Electro 2, who wins?
Cu2 plus.
Why?
Because it's a 2 plus.
Right, and then it becomes?
Cu.
Any connection?
Yeah.
I'm sorry, can I see the question one more time? Increasing the math if the math. Oh, it's just math. Any questions?
No.
Let's move. All right, come on. Electron flow, positive, negative, candidates, who wins? Come on. Positive, negatives. Candidate.
There's no candidates.
Why is there no candidates?
Because they didn't give.
So does it mean that there is no candidate, or you don't know?
I don't know.
Very good. This is by design. By design. So this is a slightly more challenging question. Right. Having said that, the candidates are listed in A, B, C, D. So it is not exactly true that there is no candidate. A, B, C, D are candidates. It's just that you have A, B, C, D to think about. No? So let's quickly list down the candidates for A, B, C, and D. Quickly, and then who wins. We can start with the easiest one if you want to. Come on.
Hello.
Ines, can you hear me?
Yeah, because it's very annoying. This phone keeps receiving calls, so this is my mom's phone, so I keep having to cut it. Okay. D&D.
Right. So for A, the candidates are?
So we see Cu2 plus SO4 minus.
Could you please put the candidate in the correct place here, left or right, and don't confuse yourself like this here. Left or right immediately. Oh, this is very confusing, isn't it? Okay, fine. All right, okay. All right, then candidates, please. Come on, candidates.
What's rubidium charge?
A. Candidates A. Candidates for A. Listen down and determine who wins.
Oh, sorry, I forgot.
Okay, who wins immediately? Now look at the result. Look at the result. Is this making any sense or not?
The negative gave out water. It gave out hydrogen, gave out gas. And the positive didn't.
The negative give out hydrogen. Why do you say that?
No, it doesn't have to be hydrogen, but it gave out gas. And the positive didn't give out any gas. So then A is wrong.
Wait. So sorry. Wait. Go back to the reading. Sorry. Why did you?
This one has less. This one has more gas. This one has less gas.
No, you are not wrong in saying that. You are not wrong, but oh, you're supposed to assume that it's originally vacuum. Okay, I agree with you. Fine. So you're saying that both have gas and therefore A is wrong, right? Okay. So far, so good. Now B. Quickly. Candidates, please. List them down and who wins.
What's rubidium?
There's rubidium is group 1 in the periodic table.
So Rb plus.
Make candidates done, and then decide who wins. Who wins?
I'm assuming rubidium wins.
Oh goodness me, right. Okay, right. Your metal reactivity series, please. List them down.
But I don't know rubidium and the series.
When I teach you metal reactivity series, I teach you group 1, group 2, and group 3, remember?
Yeah, that's true.
And the top, right? So who wins?
Hydrogen.
All right. So how is B looking?
Wrong.
Why is B wrong? Sorry. Tell me why is B wrong?
Gas and stuff.
What does H plus produce?
Gas.
Hydrogen, right? What does OH minus produce?
Gas.
Okay, so why is exactly B wrong? I'm sorry.
D. And this B what? B is wrong.
B, yes. Why is B wrong?
Because this one shouldn't be producing any gas.
Then what's the empty space on top then?
What there was originally.
Uh-oh. At least your problem is not electrolysis. At least your problem is not. At least your problem is something else lah. So it's a little bit fair that you don't know. Try doing C lah. You should get confused at this point. Try doing C. Candidates. Let's make sure your electrolysis have no problems, right? Then we'll talk about the empty space thing lah. Right? C. So candidates.
What does concentrated mean?
Means there is more of the stuff inside than water, and that affects who wins. List down the candidates, please. List down the candidates, please. It's very easy one. List down the candidates. So H plus obviously wins, right? Now the OH minus and the Cl minus. OH minus loses, Cl minus wins because concentrated. Do you understand?
Oh yeah, I actually understood that and then I took the wrong thing. Yeah.
Right, so is C correct or wrong? According to you right now?
C is correct.
But B is wrong.
Yeah.
Why is C correct and B is wrong?
Because C, it's releasing hydrogen gas.
I'm sorry, you're saying? Sorry, C is what? Sorry?
C is releasing hydrogen gas, so this is hydrogen gas, but then it's not releasing any gas here, so the default stays there.
What does Cl minus become?
Oh shit, yeah. I
What
forgot
are you
about
talking about?
Yeah, I finished this first.
You're saying that the candidates are zinc 2 plus and Br 2 plus.
Hmm?
What are the candidates again?
Zinc and Br. I know there's like some balancing that I've already got. But it's still not gonna be them anyway.
Are you serious? Are you serious? Correct your candidates first. The candidates are zinc plus and Br minus.
Yeah, but it's not gonna be them anyway.
Would you please just correct that? You have a lot of trouble. Would you please just correct that? It's Br minus and zinc 2 plus.
Okay.
Decide who wins, who is correct, B or C. Both produces gas at both sides.
I think it's B.
The answer is correct.
Huh?
The answer is correct. Any questions?
Why is it B?
Why do you think it is B?
Because rubidium is unknown and C didn't make any sense, so I went for the unknown instead. I gambled.
Wow, I'm not impressed. Look at the Jamboard, please, page 4.
Okay.
Are we there?
I have to sign in. Hold on. Okay, I'm here.
Right, balance the first reaction, please. Balance the first reaction, please. Nice. Very good. Balance the second reaction, please. Is that done? Just to confirm.
Yeah. Oh.
Right. Sorry, done or not done? Sorry.
Sorry, I'm really tired today.
And what?
I'll try my best to continue, but I mean, I think you can sense also that I'm quite tired.
What are you saying?
Hello.
Yes, you were saying. Sorry.
Yeah, I'm really tired today.
And so your advice, your suggestion is?
I'm gonna try continuing first, because obviously it's a good. I mean, it's an open slot, but I mean, I think you can also sense that I'm quite tired. So.
Is that supposed to be like something I accept?
Something that you
Accept?
accept?
Yes.
What does that mean?
Just balance the equation line. Just balance it. Come on.
It's balanced.
How many O's in the left hand side?
2. But then if I change it to 3, then there will be too many H.
I can see that. Yes, I know that 2 is wrong, and I also know that 3 is wrong. Yes, I'm aware of it. I guess you're going to finish this whether you're tired or not, right? Okay, come on. Is this done?
Yeah.
Not bad. Now, add in the electron, please. Will the electron be on the left-hand side or on the right-hand side?
Can I just leave early?
No, Ainesh, no. Thank you. This is done. Now, let me explain why this is the correct answer. For electron and 2 electron, yes?
Yeah.
So for the oxidation and reduction to balance out, times 2 everything on the top side. So this will be 4, this will be 4, and this will be 2. Would that be okay?
Okay.
So it will happen for H plus, the ratio for H plus 4 OH minus, the ratio for OH minus, to H2 plus 2H2O plus O2. Is this okay so far?
Okay.
And this is the reason why the oxygen is less than the hydrogen, as seen by the space above. That's why B is correct. Do you understand that part?
Okay.
All right. The same for C. Would you kindly balance the second reaction here for C?
What is this?
Please balance the second reaction. Nice, nice, very nice. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. Two electron attraction, wonderful. For the balance, what you get is 2H plus and 2Cl minus becomes H2 and Cl2. Will this be okay? Is this okay so far?
Okay.
This is for option C, right? And this is why option C is wrong. Because this is 1 and 1, the amount of gas will be the same, which is not what is shown here. C is wrong, B is correct.
Okay.
All right, shall we move on to question 4 then? One.
Okay.
This question is weird. Anish, I'm going to ask you to skip question 4. Yeah? I think question 4 has problem. I won't explain the problem first. Okay, I think I rarely do this, but I think this question does have a problem. All right, so for question 5, please. Oh, good. Yeah, so we are finally here. Right? We are definitely finally here. All right, so the answer, however, is very easy though. For question 5, same thing lah, candidates and who wins. The moment you do that, the answer is immediately clear. Would you please do that, please? Candidates and then who wins. The candidates are wonderful, good. Who wins? Oh, goodness me. Right. Your reactivity series, please.
No, but there's 3 of AL.
Reactivity series, please. Reactivity series, please. List down your reactivity series.
Hydrogen is closer than Al to the bottom. So then hydrogen.
So why do you say the L wins, yes?
Because there's 3 of Al.
And why does that matter?
I don't know.
So does it matter or not to you?
Not anymore.
Would you like to list down the other? Would you like to list down the other candidates, Queen, or can you decide on your answer already?
That's the answer. H plus or H minus.
You are not sure that H plus wins and H minus wins. You are not sure.
I'm sure.
All right. So would you like to list down the candidates for the other two, or do you have an answer from A, B, C, D already?
How is it?
The second one seems good. Who wins? All right. Okay, I understand. All right, good. The third one. Win, right? Interesting. All right. Now, your candidates and your wins are all correct. You don't know how to calculate the mass. That one I can understand. That's the hardest part of electrolysis. But doesn't matter. You can already see the answer. Yeah, I wouldn't go so far on calculating first. There's some details that you probably don't know. Besides, you're tired. Let me repeat this. Doesn't matter. The answer is very clear. Which one? The answer is extremely clear. Just read the answers. You will know which one. Very good. Your choice is B. You okay?
Yeah.
Right. Any questions?
No.
Right. Shall we move on then? Wonderful. Right. Candidates and who wins, please?
Can I finish these 2 questions and then leave at 9:45? Because I have an exam tomorrow as well. I do need the rest.
What kind of exam do you have tomorrow?
I have a geography exam.
Have you studied your geography?
It's pretty much open book, so I have notes. But I won't use notes on time.
Glad that you know that.
What is a crucible?
Container that can heat up. Okay, all right. Candidates, please. The other guy. The other guy. The crucible. Right. So don't say Br2 minus plus, just say Br minus. Okay. Right. Who wins? Why is there H plus and OH minus there?
When it's not molten, so I can answer question A.
It's written as molten, right?
It's not like for question A is not. For question A it says if before heat is applied.
When it is not molten because the heat is not applied, suddenly it has H plus and OH minus, is what you're trying to say.
Because then it's aqueous.
Because can it be solid instead?
I mean, they didn't say that. And it's usually aqueous.
Oh, that's up to you then. All right. Okay. That's up to you then. Okay. Right. Sure thing.
But this affects my answer though, so.
It does. Yes, I know. Precisely. That's why I say things. But you have your own opinion also. Huh?
Right, so then this isn't the case.
That's up to you.
What does that mean?
That's up to you. By the way, I'll suggest that you do 6B first. Anything for 6b? 6b should be very easy for you.
Wait, so is it bromine gas?
Could you please, you know who wins, right? You know who wins, right? So Br minus, you start from there. And what does Br minus becomes? You got to be able to write the reaction one day, right? Okay. You got to be able to grow and move on, right? So what does it become? Br minus will become bromine gas, right? The chemical reaction, chemical formula will be wonderful. And then your electron is where? And then balance it properly, please. What is that? What is that symbol?
It's solid.
What is that? So why is it solid? I'm so sorry.
Because molten.
Oh goodness me, this is the fourth time. I'm not gonna explain anymore. I'm not gonna explain anymore, right? Okay, so up to you. Right, balance the electron, please. Okay, almost perfect reaction. Now, you say what will be observed around electron A?
Effervescence, right?
I guess you can say. I guess you can say that. No? I guess not that. Of certain color, if you remember the color.
I don't.
All right. Then from now on, for now, just answer the bubbling or effervescence, right? All right. Let's do 7. All right, same thing. Who wins, who lose, right? Where are the candidates? Yeah, you did this before. How come we're doing this again? Why are we doing this again? I don't know. I'm not sure I want to repeat this with you. Right, let's go for question 8. Yeah. Yeah, you did this before. So I'm not interested.
Can this be the last question?
Yeah, question 8 will be fine.
Oh my god, 3 questions.
All right, so let's go question 8. There's no drawing, so you must draw and then you must list down the candidates and everything, right? And then who wins, and then the reaction. Dilute sulfuric acid, nice. The candidates are very, very nice.
What?
Candidates are good, so who wins?
Dilute.
So it's clear who wins, right? Right. The SO4 2 minus, SO4 2 minus, please. SO4 2 minus, please. So who wins? SO4 2 minus or OH minus?
OH minus.
Right. So write down the reaction, please. We did that just now, so you should be able to do it. Would you please move up, please? You're doing very well, I think. Right? What's that positive thing above oxygen? What's that positive? Plus 4E minus. Wonderful. Right. And then the H plus, right? Reaction. Nice. So far, so good. Now you look at the 4E and the 2E, and you must decide to times 2 everything on the bottom. 2, and then you sum up everything for a total reaction.
What does that mean?
Draw a long line. Draw a long line below. Draw a long line. Yeah, and then sum up everything. Left hand side, sum it up. Right hand side, sum it up. Nice. 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 And the 4E at both sides are excellent. This is how you answer B. And you have almost answered B already. Read question B, and do you understand that you have answered this? Or rather, you have gotten 2 marks at the very least.
Yeah.
Please explain in English so that you will get the 3 marks, the 3rd mark. Why do you write 4H2? Why did you write 4H2?
Oh, I don't know.
What are you doing? The hydrogen gas, please.
There was one.
Hydrogen gas, please. The hydrogen gas produced, please, on the right-hand side. Why are you looking on the left-hand side? The hydrogen gas is produced, right? So look at the right-hand side. Good, thank you. For part C, I don't think you can answer. For part C, I don't think you can answer yet. It's a very detailed, yeah. So I suggest that never mind part C. You're saying?
Can I tell you what I think is the answer?
Can.
Because there's H plus from the water part of H2SO4 and also from H2SO4. So there's more H plus than to use than from OH minus, because OH minus is just from the water part.
True. So
hence there's more hydrogen collected than the double.
Unfortunately, that is wrong. That is wrong because
I could just refer to the equation here because like H2.
Yeah, the equation explicitly states that it will be 2 to 1. Yeah, Although your explanation seems to make sense, it is not allowed by the electricity. It is not allowed. But still good try. But it is not correct. It is not. It is not. We'll discuss why either before your teacher or after your teacher. Right? Okay. Right. So still good job. All right. I'll see you tomorrow. I'm sorry. No. I don't see you tomorrow, right? I'll see you on
Tuesday. You'll see me tomorrow.
Wednesday, right? Okay, I'll see you on Wednesday then.
See you tomorrow.
I thought we switched timing to Wednesday because Tuesday is very packed.
We did?
Sometimes there is no point discussing with you.
I have no recollection of this.
Yeah, you have no recollections. I know, I totally get it, man. I totally get it, man. If you have no recollection, then we'll see each other tomorrow and then we'll discuss the same thing again. All right? All the best for your exam tomorrow.